Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the tallest building in Jamaica. Where you see the green, um, I guess it's like a tarpaulin, that is where they're building the first of four towers. This is the Pinnacle development. The building to the right is a commercial center where they're going to have stores, restaurants, etc. It will have a separate entrance from the residential section. So these buildings are going to be 28 floors each. They are going to change the skyline in not only Jamaica, Montego Bay, but the Caribbean. Currently, the tallest building in Jamaica is the Rogers at 20 floors. And then you're going to have these four towers, although they're building two now and two in phase two, they will all be 28 floors. And now this is what you call a luxury development. All the amenities. So going forward, we are just going to refer to this construction as the tallest building in Jamaica because they are moving at lightning speed. Now, the only development I've seen to move faster than this in Jamaica is the Unico in Montego Bay as well. But some people say that this development is moving faster. So we will keep giving you guys updates on both developments and we'll do it every 2 weeks because they're moving so fast so that we can see which one is moving faster. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.